Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, playing with numbers. In that exercise 3.2, the first question is given: write all the factors of the following numbers. All the factors of the following numbers. Okay, the first question is given 36. So write all the factors of 36. Means factor means what, Nana? First of all, factor means what? What is factor? Factor means what? Already we discussed it. What is this? A number which is exactly divisible by another number. A number which is exactly divisible by another number. That another number is called what? Factor of the number. For example, 24 is exactly divisible by 2. 2 12s are 24. So we can call this 2 is a factor. Yes or no? A number 24 which is divisible by another number. Okay, 2. This number is called what? Factor of the number. So like that only, you see, what are the factors of 36? That is 136 or 36. We know 1 is a universal factor. 1 is a universal factor. Okay, na? And it is a factor of every number. 136 are 36, and 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36. Only reverse lo randi. 9 4s are 36. Reverse. 12 3s are 36. Reverse. 18 2s are 36. 36 1s are 36. Clearly we can say the factors of 36 are these. Is that clear? We can write the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So these are the factors of 36. Like that only you do the remaining problems in this main. Okay. Now let us go for the next main. Second one. The question is given: which of the following pairs are co-prime? Second main, which of the following pairs are co-prime? Pairs are co-prime. In that, first question is given 18 and 35. 18 and 35. You know what is co-prime? Co-prime number means what? Co-prime means what? Co-prime are, you can call it as relatively prime. Co-prime are relatively prime. Means the HCF of the highest common factor of two numbers, okay na, is 1. The HCF of the the numbers having their highest common factor is 1. The numbers having their highest common factor HCF is 1. then the numbers are called coprimes. Now see, HCF of, first of all I am finding factors of 18 factors find out cheddar. Prime factorization method I am choosing. 2 9s are 18, and we should use only prime numbers. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 18 we can express it as, okay, like this. 2 into 3 into 3 we get, and 35. 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. So thus we get 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3, and 35 is equals to, that is 2 into 3 into 35 is equals to 5 into 7. ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ 1 ఉంది కదా, you can write 1 1s are, here also 1 1s are, into 1 into 1. Then you just see, Nana, is there any common factor both 18 and 35? 18 ki 35 ki common factor ఏమైనా ఉందా ఇక్కడ? Here 2 there is no 2, here 5 there is no 5, here 3 there is no 3, here 7 there is no 7. Only the highest common factor, the HCF of these two numbers, what are? That is 1 only. Yes or no? So HCF, highest common factor of 18 comma 35 is 1. Therefore we can call 18 and 35 are coprime. These two numbers are called what, Nana? Coprime numbers. In the same manner, you to take in the remaining questions, find the prime factors. Okay na? Just find the HCF. Okay na? Their HCF is 1. Their HCF is 1. The numbers are called what? Coprime numbers. We can do the same question in this way also. Continue division method. I just want to remind you. The HCF of 18 and 35. HCF of 18 and 35. I am dividing 35 bigger number with smaller number 18. By reading 18 table, 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are means 36. Means the number dividend is crossed na. Come back. 18 1s are 18. Subtraction. 35 minus 18 means, that is what? We get, that is 17. Okay na? Again 17, here 17 is a remainder na. It acts as a dividend. The divisor 18, it acts as a, okay na? The remainder 17 acts as a divisor, and the divisor 18 acts as a dividend. 17 1s are 17. 18 minus 17, that is 1. Now the remainder 1 acts as a divisor. The divisor 17 acts as a dividend. 1 17s are 17. So what is the highest common factor here? Are you understood this? First of all, 18 1s are 18. 35 minus 18 means 17. It is a remainder. Now it acts as a divisor, and the divisor 18 acts as a dividend. 17 1s are 17. 18 minus 17, 1. Now 1 is the remainder. It acts as a divisor, and the divisor 17 acts as a dividend. 1 17s are 17. Clearly the last divisor is called what? HCF. Okay. So the HCF of these two numbers is 1. Therefore these two numbers are coprime numbers. Now take one more question. In the same manner you try to the remaining problems. Next, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 20? Question number 3. What is the greatest greatest prime number between 1 and 20. Okay students, now see it is, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 20? We know what is prime number. First of all, what is prime number? Prime number means what? Already we completed this one in revision class only. Prime number means a number having exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. A number having exactly two factors. What are they? 1 and the number itself. 1 ఉంటుంది and what we take in the number, that only itself. Okay. For example, 2. It is a prime number. It is a one and only one even prime number. The one and only even prime number is 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 2s are 2 and itself. 2 1s are 2. అంటే 1 and itself. Only 2 factors. ఇంకా 2 ఎక్కడైనా వస్తుందా? 2 వేరే ఏదైనా నెంబర్తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుందా? It is a multiple of any another number. No. That's why it is a prime number. Next, the factors of 3. 1 3s are 3 and itself. 3 1s are 3. 1 and the number itself. How many factors here? A number 3, it has only 2 factors. What are they? 1 and the number itself. So that's why this is also a prime number. Now go for the next number. 4. It is a prime number. What are the factors of 4? We can write it as 1 4s are 4 and itself. 4 1s are 4 and 2 2s are also 4. How many factors? 1 4 2. Here how many factors? 1 4s are, 4 1s are, 2 2s are. More than 2. 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి. A number having more than 2 factors, that is composite number. Okay na? So 4 is the smallest composite number. Okay na? So that's why it is not a prime number. Is it prime number? Exactly, మనకి prime number అంటే 2 factors ఏ ఉండాలి. Okay na? So let us coming to 1. 1 is a prime or composite. చూద్దాం. 1 factor. 1 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? 1 1s are 1. Okay, 1 is a 1 factor. ఇంకా 1 ఇంకెక్కడైనా వస్తుందా? It is a multiple of any number. No, it is not divisible by any another number except itself. That's why it has only one factor. So it is not a prime number. It is not composite. It is not prime and not composite. At prime కాదు, composite కాదు. Okay. So now coming to our question. ఇప్పుడు మన క్వశ్చన్ లోకి వచ్చేయండి. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 20? We can write the prime numbers between 1 and 20 are, that is 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 1 కి 20 కి మధ్యలో ఉన్న ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఏంట్రా? దిస్ 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19. Out of these, which is the greatest? 19 is the greatest one. Are you understood, ma? Is it clear? So this is the greatest prime number. Okay na? So Okay students, so this is the required answer for the questions. You to try the remaining problems. Thank you.